How to fix preparing automatic repair loop blue screen error. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and if you are facing the automatic repair blue screen error, here's how to fix it. Without further ado, let's begin. On the error screen, click on Advanced option. Then select Troubleshoot option. Next, click on Advanced option again. Choose the command prompt and select your login username and enter your password, then click on Continue button. Afterwards, you need to type this command to repair corrupted Windows file. That is SFC /scannow. Make sure to type it carefully and press enter. This process will take around 3 to 5 minutes. Once it's completed, you need to close the command prompt and click continue to restart your system. That's it, your issue should now be resolved. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.